Guys and girls, subscribers to Steve's Small-Ended Saloon, Steve's Small-Ended Saloon just hit 100,000 subscribers today. What a compliment, you guys. This is so flattering. We're so happy to know that you guys actually like what we do, and hopefully we're saving you some money too, because that's the whole point why we started this channel. We figured that some Grolsch might go better than some champagne. It's way better than champagne. So here you go, April. April is my executive producer. She's my wife, mother of my children, my best friend, love of my life. And this is absolutely a team effort. 100% you guys. It's not just me. So congratulations, April. Till the next 100,000 subscribers and to the next video. Steve and April out.